Now, the news: a 4-year-old girl is dead following a motor vehicle crash on the Hopewell Main Road in Westmoreland Friday afternoon. She was one of 2 pillion riders on a motorcycle that collided with a motor car. The driver of the motorcycle and another child were also injured in the crash. According to reports, sometime after 1 o'clock, a white Toyota Axio motor car was traveling toward Orange Hill. The motorcycle was traveling in the opposite direction. It's understood that the driver of the motorcycle failed to keep left and collided with the car. The condition of the occupants of the motor car is not known. On Monday, 2 students of Lennon High died along the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon when the car in which they were traveling collided with another car. In the meantime, police data show 6 of the 23 children who have died in crashes since the start of the year were traveling on motorcycles. 3 of them were passengers. Vice Chairman of the National Road Safety Council, Dr. Lucian Jones, is calling for motorists to show greater care when transporting children.
You ought not to have 2 children riding on a bike with a driver, which is what happened yesterday. You should only have 1 passenger. And drivers who are driving with children need to have an extra sense of caution. We need to protect our children in cars, in buses, on the streets, and when they are riding on bikes.
The total number of deaths from road crashes since the start of the year now stands at 344.